Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to backup your project in CapCut on PC or Mac. Subscribe and give me a like if this video help you, because your support is very important to me. If you open your project and made some change and then wanted to find the preview version, you can use Command Z or Ctrl Z on Windows. You can also use the undo button in the program interface. But what if you need to restore an early version of a project that was saved before the change were made? CapCut doesn't have a built-in function for this. However, it'll show you a trick on how to do it. If you decide to make change to your project and think you may need a backup, follow these steps. Alright, close project. On the home page, find the project you want to edit. Click three dots, select duplicate and create copy project. Open copy. Now you can edit the project in the copy, or if you need the original project, just open the original. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your support is very important to me.